Rahim. These are significant terminologies to speak and write a smart English. After this video, you will be able to write exact vocabulary instead of adding very words before each term. So guys, let's start. Very accurate, exact, very afraid, fearful, very angry, furious, very bad, awful, very beautiful, gorgeous, very big, massive, very boring, dull, very bright, luminous, very busy, swamped, very calm, serene, very careful, cautious, very cheap, stingy, very clean, spotless, very clear, obvious, very cold, pleasing, very colorful, vibrant, very confused, perplexed, very creative, innovative, very crowded, bustling, very clever, intelligent, very cute, adorable, very dear, cherished, very deep, profound, very dirty, filthy, very dull, tedious, very difficult, arduous, very dry, arid, very eager, keen, very easy, effortless, very evil, wicked, very empty, desolate, very excited, thrilled, very exciting, exhilarating, very expensive, costly, very fancy, lavish, very fast, quick, very fat, obese, very fierce, ferocious, very friendly, amiable, very funny, hilarious, very glad or agile, very good, excellent, very great, terrific, very happy, ecstatic, very heavy, leaden, very hungry, starving, very hot, battered, very large, huge, very lazy, indolent, very long, extensive, very loose, slack, very huge, colossal, very little, tiny, very light, luminous, very lively, animated, very lovely, adorable, very mean, cruel, very messy, slovenly, very nice, kind, very noisy, deafening, very often, frequently, very old, ancient, very open, transparent, very pale, Asian, very perfect, flawless, very poor, destitute, very powerful, compelling, very pretty, beautiful, very quick, rapid, very quiet, hushed, very rainy, pouring, very rich, wealthy, very sad, sorrowful, very short, brief, very slow, sluggish, very sacred, petrified, very scary, chilling, very serious, grave, very sharp, keen, very shiny, gleaming, very shy, timid, very simple, basic, very skinny, skeletal, very smooth, sleek, very soft, downy, very sorry, apologetic, very special, exceptional, very sure, certain, very smart, intelligent, very small, petite, very stupid, idiotic, very strong, forceful, very sweet, thoughtful, very talented, gifted, very tall, towering, very tasty, delicious, very thirsty, parched, very tight, constricting, very tiny, minuscule, very tired, exhausted, very ugly, hideous, very upset, distraught, very warm, hot, very weak, frail, very wet, soaked, very wide, expensive. So guys, this was the end of the lecture. For such type of more informative videos, like this video and subscribe my channel. And for your feedback, please write comments in the comment section of the video. Thank you so much.